everyone! Ayun, kitang-kita nyo, handang-handa na tayo sa ating paglipat ng bahay. Pero, sad to say, hindi tayo papasok sa bahay ni Kuya dahil may mas mabigat at mas grabing hamon tayo sa totoong buhay. Kaya, canceled muna yung ating plan para sa ating PBB Kumo audition. But still, I'm hoping by, malay natin, years from now, makakapasok talaga tayo sa bahay ni Kuya. Thank you so much for all your wishes na makapasok ako ng bahay ni Kuya. But priorities and opportunities comes once in our life. See you here in YouTube and subscribe! Bye! Yay! Welcome to Antique! Hey guys, I'm now home and let's try our portable washing machine! Our laundry! Dun, 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 dun. Bah! Alright, switch it on! Wanna pick it? Alright, we're done. And now, let's drain it now. Dun, dun, ah! There you go. Alright. Yay! There you go. We're done with our laundry. Look at that one. So, sa inyo datanan nga, excited. Yan yung makita ko sa Ilonggo. Well, nandito na po tayo sa bahay ni Kuya. Kaya, medyo hintay-hintay lang. But once everything is okay na, and ready na tayong lumarga with Toothless, ay aarangkada tayo sa mga streets ng Iloilo. So wait for me there paglabas ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya. Bye-bye everyone! Subscribe! Okay, I forgot that I have eggs in my cabinet. I just checked that the eggs haven't hatched yet after 3 weeks. So, let's try to cook it cowboy style because I actually do have a rice cooker but I don't want to use it right now because I'm going home tomorrow. So let's use our water heater and let's try if our eggs will be cooked later. Okay, let's use some hot water and cover it up with styro from McDonald's. Yes, this is not sponsored pero McDo, beke naman. Alright, let's wait. Na natin, titikman natin kung buhay pa ba ang itlog. I can feel it. Let's cook it again. Okay, it's still hot. Let's see. Oh, I think it's cooked na. No. Oh, it's so soft. Wait, is it cooked? Ay! try another cooking technique. Let's boil our canned tuna. After it will be cooked, let's mix it with the egg. Let's try it. Okay, there. Oh, let's open it. Our dinner while working. Okay, where's my biscuit? There, got my biscuit. Let's put our biscuit in. Okay, alright, working dinner. Let's eat. Still have to wait for another 2 hours for my hair to dry. Let's try. Let's eat. Yummy. Naluto ang egg. And it's still hot. Sarap. Done!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!